Namaste, welcome to Home Hashtag Life. This is the very first video of 2019. So wishing you a very happy new year and hope this new year will bring lots of happiness and good health. In our daily life, we follow so many routines like morning routine, evening routine, night routine, but sometimes we are not able to follow them constantly. And I was no different until I found out the reason. In my entire day, I don't look forward to my before bed routine, or you can say after dark routine, because by that time I feel so tired, I feel so drained out. Although I have an organized before bed routine, but still I was not able to follow them on regular basis. Then when I sat down and trying to evaluate what is the problem, I realized that I'm doing everything in a wrong way. Mostly the timings are all wrong according to my need or according to our lifestyle. So in today's video, I want to share with you how I'm able to set up an organized before bedtime routine, or you can say nighttime routine. I hope that the steps will be helpful for you too. Now let's get started. Before starting the video, I want to give a quick tip here, and that is important too. As I do work from home, so my timings will not be suitable for you. To have a functional and realistic routine, please evaluate your day and find best time to inculcate all these habits or tips in your nighttime routine. The very first tip I want to share is wind up your day early. Do not wait for a specific time to do any kind of a nighttime cleanup. My struggling part is kitchen cleanup, so I start my nighttime routine from kitchen. From our previous videos, you might know that we do make our lunch and dinner together, except roti or paratha or any special dish. So for me, it's okay to start my nighttime routine with cleaning up the kitchen, and I started right after my daughter came back from school. In the kitchen, we do homework, chit-chat, eating and whatnot. That's how kitchen is the heart of the home, right? I was trying to do everything at once, like after dinner I wanted to do kitchen cleanup, but over the time I realized I don't like to do much work after dinner. So I started doing the work in parts, like I put away dishes around 4:30 to 5 o'clock. This time my daughter comes back from school, so I do kitchen work while I help her with her homework. This multitasking helped me a lot to maximize my time. By this time, I also do few extra works, like if something needs to be hand washed, or wipe off microwave or fridge if a quick cleanup needed. I put away groceries or wash vegetables if needed. You can see now it's dark outside. It's almost 6:30 and half of my kitchen related work has been done. Two years back, when I had a severe health issue, we hired a cook to help us in cooking. So in the late morning, we cook our lunch and dinner together, except roti, as I told you earlier. So around 7 o'clock, I start preparing dinner, like making roti or tempering dal, etc. Once I'm done with cooking, I go to the dining space to clean up the dining table. It's kind of a hot zone in our home. And I tidy up the living room too. As I told you, I don't wait anymore for the ideal time to do these cleanups. Also, as a good habit, we are trying to teach our daughter to set up the dining table before dinner. Meanwhile, I check if there is any leftover food inside the fridge. So around 7:30 to quarter to 8 we try to have our dinner with a 90% clean kitchen. Now here comes the second and very important habit, which is eat dinner early. I know most of our Indian families don't have dinner by this time, but trust me, it is such a good habit to inculcate in your life. Try to eat dinner by 7:30 or at least before 8 p.m. It will help your body to digest food properly before going to bed. It will help you to reduce or maintain your weight in long term. Right after finishing our dinner, I go straight to the kitchen to clean the hob and countertop. Now I have only one thing left to wind up the kitchen, which is hand wash utensils. Mostly I wash my daughter's school lunch and snacks boxes and few other utensils which I don't usually give to our house help. At last I soak dal or beans or rice for the next morning and almonds for the next day. Here my husband has two responsibilities. One, filling up the water bottles and take out the trash. While I do the kitchen cleanup, my husband helps our daughter with her nighttime routine. Things get messed up sometimes as every day cannot be the same, but this is the routine I follow to have a healthy home and a happy me. If you are struggling with kitchen cleanup at night too, then definitely follow this winding up early tip. Let me know in the comment section below if it works for you too. Third tip is prepare your bedroom. We like to have a peaceful atmosphere in our bedroom before going to bed. It helps us to calm our mind and helps us to fall asleep quickly. Also, you can use aroma diffusers to create a soothing ambience in your bedroom. It's not a sponsored video. Campus sent me this diffuser 2 months back to try and test it, and I really like it. Their essential oil is really a good one. By 8:30 to 9 o'clock, our daughter sleeps in our bedroom. Also, I like to close the door to maintain the bedroom ambience from outside noise or chaos. My another tip to have a good night routine habit is set up a school essentials zone. I'm so thankful to my husband and to my daughter for this. They set up this school essentials zone all by themselves. We remind our daughter to put everything in its place before going to bed. It's literally a time saver in the morning and you will not forget anything during morning rush hours. Also, you can see Pihu drew these pictures of socks, hankies, school bags, etc. to make her understand what to keep here before going to bed. I love to choose my outfit for the next day and take workout clothes out before going to bed. It saves a lot of time in the morning, inspire me to look good throughout the day and motivate me to do exercise either at home or outside. This before bed habit literally can change your lifestyle for betterment and to have a put together day. Another tip I want to share with you for a good nighttime routine is put your clothes inside the washing machine. I have started this habit recently. It always helps me to start the load in the morning without wasting any time. Just put clothes inside the machine before going to bed, put detergent, and better not to close the door. Now everything is set to finish the load in the first hour of the morning. It's always a good habit to write down lunch or snacks ideas for the next day and do little preparation. If you are not someone who loves meal plan, then try to write down kids' snacks or lunch ideas for the next day on a notepad or even on a sticky notes. This before bed habits will clear up your mind. By this way, you will be able to add variety in your kids' meal and it will let you sleep more peacefully. I promise. Here comes another important night routine habit, which is self-care routine. After a long working day, your skin deserves a nourishment. I have kept my self-care routine very simple and realistic, which I will look forward to do on daily basis. Changing my clothes, combing my hairs, brushing teeth, cleaning and toning the face, applying moisturizer on my face, applying cream on my feet, especially in winter months. A little self-care habit will let you have good mood. It will boost your confidence level. So definitely take out 5 minutes for your own betterment, to love yourself and to keep yourself happy. Mark it as a New Year resolution, guys. My second last nighttime routine habit will be reading, gratitude and relaxation. The definition of relaxation is very personal and it can be different for each one of us. You can watch your favorite TV show or talk to a dear friend. Before sleeping, I love to read at least for 10 to 15 minutes if I'm running out of time. As a decor enthusiast, I love to read books on decor and style. Here I really want to mention, if you have a quest for home decor, definitely read this book. I will share a link in the description box below. If you wish, you can check. Sometimes I love to read books on social issues or मेरे कुछ बचपन के favorite books just like this one. Also, this time write down any important task you need to do for tomorrow. You can say sort of brain dump to clear your mind. For a while, close your eyes and be thankful, be grateful for those things which you have in your life. Gratitude is everything for a peaceful life. Just be a few minutes, sit back and relax. It will help you to calm and prepare your mind for a good night's sleep. Last but not the least, sleep early to wake up early. I always feel that if I sleep early and if I get up early, it helps me immensely throughout the day to be productive, to be happy. But the problem is my work timing. Those of you who are doing work from home probably getting the point what I'm trying to say here. But still, I'm constantly trying to sleep early, to get up early. I have seen the benefits of it. So I really want to motivate you. Just sleep early to get up early. I hope this before bedtime habits will surely be helpful for you to fix your lifestyle, to create good habits in your life. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also share this video with someone you care. Be sure to subscribe to Home #Life for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye and a very happy new year to you all.